Somebody once told me the world is gonna roll.
What you got, dude? Oh!
Team Fisherman, we're making a difference. Let's keep posting quality fish releases.
Oh, that's your arm. Holy shit!
So we're gonna put her in her new home. See you, Bubbles. Oh, oh my god. Oh no! Bonita.
Ah! Let go of my finger, motherfucker! Ah!
Bye.
Bye.
Right, throw him back in there. I'm dead.
Oh, Mars.
It's okay, I'll help him a little bit. There he goes.
เนี่ยอะไรของมึงเนี่ยอะไรวะ
Suck on that, baby. Let's go.